Experience the future of work. Missed something? No problem. Catch the highlights with a simple tap.
About a year ago, I did a full review on the Plaud Note, which goes right on the back of your phone. But the thing that was kind of annoying about it was that it was on my phone.
This sucks.
Well, Plaud seems to have fixed this by creating the Plaud NotePin, which is a Plaud device that goes right on your shirt. But is it any better and is it any more convenient than the original Plaud that goes on the back of your phone? Well, let's go find out. So here is the box it comes in, and here are all the accessories that it comes with. You've got the USB-C cord, you've got the quick start guide, you've got different little magnets depending on how you want to connect it to your shirt. This one connects it from the back, and then this one is just a clip-on. Then you've got the little charger plate, which is what goes with this USB-C cord. And then finally, you've got the Plaud device itself, which is super lightweight and small. So first things first, we need to connect it to my phone. When you open the Plaud app, you need to choose which Plaud device you have. Then you just press down in the center of the Plaud NotePin itself and it'll discover your device pretty quickly. Then you just press the connect button in the app. Now this does have a subscription, which if you've been on my channel for any amount of time, you know that I hate subscriptions, but we'll talk about that later in the review section, because for now you can skip this since they give you 300 free minutes of recordings. Now this is your home screen / file icon button. Here you'll see all of your files and recordings. This plus button is where you can start a recording or even import a recording you already have. And this little Explorer icon here will give you access to how many minutes you've used, your cloud sync, and a bunch of other information. Here you can see all of the Plaud devices you have connected to your app, and right here is a Plaud AI chatbot where you can ask questions. Finally, your settings / profile options can be found right here. So for this full day test, I wanted to test it out in a bunch of different ways. The first test being a Teams group call that lasted over an hour with 3 different participants, including myself. It actually did really, really well with summarizing everything that had been said in the meeting. All right, that is the end of the workday. I am going to now go run some errands and try it out with being out in the world so that I can see if it'll capture my entire day. And then afterwards, we will see if it all worked. Let's go. All right, well, both packages came in. I recorded the entire time on the Plaud here in my pocket, so we'll check in the review section whether or not it worked. Let's move on to the grocery store. All right, so grocery haul was successful. I actually got really unhealthy groceries this time, so don't judge me. All right, I just got to the skate park, so let's start the Plaud and let's go skate, and then let's do a review. That is it. You guys, the summarization that the Plaud NotePin came up with from when I went and skated is hilarious. And I realize that I and so many other older skateboarders probably talk about being old way too much. With that being said, how did the Plaud NotePin do? Well, let's talk about it. First of all, the summarizations were amazing. I didn't talk much at UPS or the grocery store, but I did talk a ton at the skate park. And with it being in my pocket, it was able to summarize everything that I had said and categorize it by conversation, as well as create an entire mind map and so much more. And of course, even when I didn't talk that much at UPS or the grocery store, I did try to say the things out loud, I probably looked crazy, of what I was grabbing off the shelf, and it was able to categorize everything really well and even gave me action items as if I was just talking to it and giving it a grocery list that I was gonna then use later. So summarization and listening and everything that this device is supposed to do, awesome. I also loved how light it was. I was actually a little bit scared when I put it in my pocket because it weighed my shirt down a little bit. So I was kind of scared that it was gonna mess with me while I was skateboarding, but after like 1 minute, I completely forgot it was there. And as you saw, I got complete skateboarding lines done at the park and it didn't affect me at all. So it's not gonna bother you on just daily walks or just using it during the day or just using it at work or wherever you're gonna use it. The app that accompanies the Plaud is also really awesome. It has great UI, great user interface. Everything about it is just positioned in a way that makes a lot of sense. One of my big complaints about a lot of companies is that their apps kind of get confusing. This one is not confusing at all, super easy to use. And lastly, the battery on the Plaud is amazing. I didn't charge it one time throughout the entire day. It's supposed to last like 20 hours. I found, because I tried to run it until it almost died, it looks like it lasts more like 18 hours, not 20, but that is still amazing because that is pretty much everyone's full day. Now, I do have one con, which I had mentioned earlier in this video. I'm sure you already know what it is, but the subscription price. I don't like when products have subscriptions. I understand it for this because it's utilizing ChatGPT and the company has to be able to pay for that somehow, but I still feel like it should be a little bit cheaper because yearly it's like $200+, which is a lot of money. Now, if you want to pick up the Plaud NotePin for yourself, I will leave a link down in the description below, and I'll also throw the current price right here. So go and grab that if you'd like to pick up your own and try it out. I do think that it's a really cool product, and as with the regular Plaud Note, it is pretty useful, especially at work. Now, I want to give a huge shout out to Plaud for sending me the NotePin to try out. They're not paying me to do this. And as always, this video is completely my own thoughts and reactions to this product, but I do appreciate them sending me this to try out. And if you'd like to see my original Plaud Note review, I'm gonna throw it right up here for you to check out. I'm Eric, this is Eric's Tech World, where tech and adventure meet. If you'd like to hit that subscribe button, that would be pretty cool as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.